Little girl, what are we doing? What are we doing? Are we looking for the bonanza? Where's the bonanza? Could it be possibly right there? Let's go see. There she is. What are we doing today?
Bonanza.
Oh man, we are looking for one, that's for sure. Giddy up, girl.
So, Ty, where are we prospecting today?
Well, I thought we'd head to one of our favorite places to hang out during the summertime and explore. It's a pretty good sized creek that empties into a pretty good sized river. And the spot that we enjoy and have explored a little bit and thought would be, always said that it would be a great place to go prospecting, is actually where that creek does empty into the river. So it's pretty cold today. I'm hoping that we're not going to be too uncomfortable out there. But if not, we should have fun doing some prospecting and hopefully find some color.
Yay!
Be careful, hon, it's slick. So this is one of our favorite places to be during the summertime. We love to come down here and picnic and hang out on these rocks, climb these boulders over here, lots of little waterfalls. So it's right now, it's of course toward the end of December and or middle of December, I guess. And it is cold today. That water is cold, but we're out here by ourselves, which is great. And I think I've got enough current to set up the sluice. So we're going to do that. We're probably going to prospect up this bank here. You know, you've got to think about where the river once flowed. And you can see there are river stones thrown all around us here. If I flip the camera around, you'll see what I'm talking about. Lots of river stones. So this river flowed well up onto this bank over here at some point. And that's where we want to dig to look for our first bit of material, I think. We're pretty encouraged. I mean, there's black sand right where Lisa's standing, and we may pan a little bit of that as well. But we'll take some sample pans and see what we come up with. So Lisa's found a crevice that she likes. So she's going to go ahead and dig down fairly deep here, fill that bucket up, and then we'll run what she's got there through the classifier, and then she'll take some of that material down to the water's edge and start panning. So the stream's not flowing strong enough here to make the sluice work properly. So I'm trying to create a little bit of a dam to create more flow between those two outer rocks you see there. That's where I'll put the sluice, if I can get enough flow running through there. Well, so I just tried to dam up this flow a little bit to create a stronger flow, and it's still not flowing hard enough. Where we really want to be is upstream here, where you can hear those waterfalls and see them a little bit. It is, unfortunately, the river's kind of blown out right now. So ordinarily we might be able to wade up to those falls, but it's a little deep at the moment. So we're not going to be able to do that. And again, I just can't get enough flow for the sluice box to work properly. I just put a couple of shovelfuls of sand, and you can see they're still caught in the first screen there. So, and on top of it, it just started raining, and Mama is not happy about that. She's getting her sample pan down to some pretty fine material right now. Not quite to the black sand yet. But it's raining a little bit harder, and I don't know that we're going to be able to, yeah, I don't know that we're going to be able to keep going today, guys, unfortunately. So we may have to wrap the day up and hopefully pick it up again maybe tomorrow. Although I'm not sure that Lisa's going to be able to join me on that one. So that's a bummer, but we'll keep going. So the rain let up just a little bit. We decided to stay out here. Again, the sluice is just not pushing enough water through it for that thing to effectively work. If that was, if we were in a little faster current with that sluice, it's a great way to process a lot of material efficiently. So we'll try to do that again later. But anyway, I just heard a little squeal over here from Lisa Marie, and she's panning out here, and she's down to black sand, and she found a sweet flake. That is gold right there. Point to it, hon.
Okay.
Right there. Look at that. So it's a nice flake. There's also a lot of sparkle in that black sand. It's not coming through too good here on the camera, but as she continues to pan that out, I think we've got some sweet color in that pan. So well done, hon.
Thanks, baby.
By the way, because the weather is so crummy today and it looks like it's getting darker, so I think the rain's going to get a little bit worse, we're probably going to take a lot of this material back home and process it at home. Well, gosh darn it. Typical Oregon in the wintertime. We got here, it's our favorite spot, and we got down there, got all the equipment down, and within 30 minutes, not even, probably about 15 minutes, it started raining, of course. So we managed to do a little panning even in the rain, but then it started raining harder and it just became a little uncomfortable. So what we did is we pulled 2 buckets of classified material that we classified there, and we'll bring that home and we'll pan it at home. So there's nothing wrong with doing a little panning at home. It's a lot more fun, of course, in the river on a sunny day. Also, the river was a bit blown out. We've had a couple of storms over the last week, 2 weeks actually. And so it was flowing a lot faster and deeper than it normally does at that spot. Ordinarily, we could probably wade to where all the Boulder waterfalls are, and we would have had, better river flow there to use the sluice box. So we weren't able to effectively use the sluice box today either. Anyway, we were hoping for more of an adventure, but it was still an adventure, and Lisa got that flake, so gold in the pan is a good day. Hey guys, so I'm back at the house and gonna go ahead and take some of this material that we brought back with us from the creek yesterday and pan it here at the house, see what we come up with. see a couple of colors in there. Definitely. Gotta be patient when you're panning for this fine stuff. But it's in there. Well, it's going to take me some time to finish panning this bit here, as well as to get through the rest of this bucket and the other bucket. In fact, it'll probably take me a few days to get through this. So sorry again about the weather. We were hoping to take you guys on a fun adventure yesterday where we had lots of sunshine and spent a lot of time at the creek, but it just didn't pan out that way. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for subscribing. The channel's starting to grow pretty fast, and I'm very excited and very grateful for that. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Let us know. We've got lots of adventures coming. We'll get back to the 16 by 24 post and beam building that I'm working on out at the homestead property in next week's video. So again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.